Okay, today we're going to go over custom products and how to make custom products in your EasyOrder account. This was a question by one of our users, Joe, Very Technologies. Just wanted to know how to do custom products. I want to do a quick video just kind of explaining how that works and how you can add them to order forms and things like that. So first thing you want to do is manage product data, and then over here is manage custom products. Once you are through here, you can absolutely make whatever custom products you want to. If you want to do it in a spreadsheet type format, you can export our template and then import it back in, or you can just click new and just start adding them one by one. I'll go over how to do it this way, and I'll go over how to do it the other way. If you're adding multiple products, the easiest way to do it is by import export. So I'll click new, and then so here it just asks you for a couple things. Now everything in blue is a must. You have to have that in there. And I usually say for a product, everything's a must, or else you're going to have a product that's missing some key demographics. But if you don't have things, that are associated with this, like a description, you can always make one up. So for here, I'm just going to do a sample product. I'm going to call it a HP, and this is the printer group. Now, when it says this printer group, this is the grouping. So if it's not cartridges you're selling, let's say you're selling HP paper, you could put everything under office supplies, just like this. And then as you created more products that are under office supplies, if you all put them under this group of office supplies, when you type in the word office supplies, it's going to come up and it's going to have everything there grouped together under office supplies. So, if it's cartridges, you can do it by printer. If it's, different things, computers or, printers or anything like that, you can group them all under the word printers or whatever. So let's say if I'm doing a jumbo version, I'm going to go Staples. Actually, I find this site to be like the most comprehensive for data. So I'm going to Q2612. So let's say I'm going to do like a jumbo version of this that I can't get anywhere else. You can always go to this website and then use this kind of as a way to get your info. So you copy and I'm just doing a Control C for copy and a Control V for paste, and then I will go back into my custom products, and this is the description. So I'm going to put the description there. The model number is the Q2612A. So I'll put that there, but I'll call it jumbo because it's a jumbo cartridge. So I'll put that there, and you can say like super high yield, not sold in stores. And that can be the box name. A box name is just a secondary descriptor. So if I was just normally just doing a Q2612A, this could be like 12A super high yield. Oops, I can't type today. Super high yield, not sold in the store. So that's how you would create the box name, retail price. Let's say if it's not available as an OEM product, this jumbo may not be available because it's not an OEM product. If you're selling it for like $49.99, the retail price could be like $99.99. Just make up a retail price, $49.99. The cost, you don't have to put the yield. The yield's important, obviously. So if it's like a 3,000 page yield, you can put 6,000 pages here. Color, black, and then here's your SKU number if you want to put a SKU. For printer group, you can go back to your listing here, and you can just copy. Go from here. Some websites make it harder to copy and paste the stuff. Copy, and then I'll go back into, where did it go? There it is, custom products. So go printer group, I'll copy and paste all this in, but you want to make sure you go through here and get rid of all the HPs because you want to have it HP. Put a comma between each printer that you have so you can separate the two. Everything's comma delimited in a database, meaning that if you put a comma between it, it's going to understand that there are multiple listings for that item. So you can come back in here and put commas between everything. It's a little bit of manual work, and that's why if you find something that is just a printer that we don't have in our database, we suggest that you go in and just request that we add it. That way we can do all this work for you, so you don't have to do all this. Part of working with EasyOrder is making sure it's easy for you as it is for us. So if it's, again, a product that we should have in the database and it's not, just let us know and we'll take care of it. We'll do all this for you and we'll let you know when it's available. That didn't work on that last one. Okay, so there it all is. I'm going to click save, and that's going to save this item to your list of custom products. Subcategory name required. Okay, I got a comma there beforehand. Okay, yeah, so the the comma beforehand messed me up. So here's the product now. It's in the system as, going with these printers, manufacturer, model number, all of it's there. Now if you wanted to go add this to an order form, and I'm just going to add it to a quote because that's the quickest way to do it. I'm going to do a new quote here, and I'm going to click add item. Of course, I got to put the company name in, so I'm going to call this custom products quote, and then the contact will be me. And then I can add an item. And so here, instead of selecting Reman, OEM, or other, I'm just going to select custom. And the manufacturer, the only one we have is the one we put in, the printers. And I can go laser, and it's going to find all the ones I put in. Looks like I actually erased part of the first one, so it put one in wrong. But then you can just select the printer, and then the cartridge will come up. You just say, yes, I want this one. Then you click save. That adds it to an order form. It's already globalized because you set the price for here, but if you check global again, you can put your SKU number in or whatever else, and just click save. And that's going to save that item to the quote or the order form. So here it is. And if you go and look at the preview here, it's going to show that item we put in. So it's a custom product. Here's the custom product type. And you've been able to create that product on the fly without having to, contact us or anything. And again, most of the times we just want you to click on help, and you can do request to add product and then type in what you're looking for. If it's something that, even if it's not OEM, if it's like a jumbo or something that, people do buy as a compatible, but we can't get, we do have a lot of jumbos in the system. But if it's like a custom combo pack of cartridges, or if it's a, a printer or office supplies or anything, that's really what you want to put in custom products, is stuff that's not ink and toner, because we can go in and put everything else in there for you. So I hope that clears up how to do custom products, how to add them to your system, and how they work. You can add them to quotes, you can add them to order forms. It's the same process. It just allows you to have your own little personal database of products that you don't normally have in the system. All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.